Okay, the first thing we need to talk about are the materials you need to use to make friendship bracelets. First, you need either a clipboard or a binder, something that is a hard surface. If you're going to use a binder, you need to make sure that you have a clip and that it's very sturdy. I'm using a metal clip. A clipboard is also good to use because, again, it's very hard against the board. Next, you're going to need floss. This is embroidery floss, and you can find it at any craft store or sewing store, anywhere that they sell materials to sew or craft with. What I do with my floss is I wrap it around one of these cardboard that way that you can see the exact color, and it's easier to take off instead of pulling it and unraveling it from the floss strands.